Is it necessary to wear the seatbelt at all? Must you wear the seatbelt when pregnant? The seatbelt is important for everybody, irrespective of whether you are pregnant or not. So we cannot take pregnant women out. But what are the precautions you have to take when using the seatbelt so that when something occurs, you don't find yourself wanting by hurting yourself or maybe hurting your baby or even losing your baby in the long run? Keep watching if you want to know more of this. Hello, my cherished viewers. Welcome to yet another educative video. Today, we are going to look at how to wear your seatbelt when you are pregnant. So, if you're a man, don't skip this video. Don't say this video does not concern you, so you will not watch it. You can watch it and tell your wife about it. You can tell your sister about it, or any other person that is a woman but drives. So, stay around. I'll be right back. Hello, welcome back. So in the coming years, we'll be learning or talking more about women who drive and the safety precautions that they have to put in place to drive to their destinations without having problems. So in a nutshell, this video is for everybody because you can use it to educate someone also. I'll use myself as an example. Let's see how that goes. So here I am with my stomach and I'm going to put on my seatbelt. First of all, you have to make sure you are comfortable with where you are sitting. This will be in another video that talks about precautions that one has to take when the person is pregnant. So we are going to wear the seatbelt and I'll teach you how you wear it so that you don't harm the baby or yourself. Should there be an accident or should there be something on the road, a carnage on the road or anything. So you see how I've done mine. You don't have to let this side pass on your belly. You can let it pass on your breast like this. And then the one on your lap, you don't have to let it also be on your tummy. No. You have to make sure it goes beyond or below your tummy. That is below your tummy. So there are some protective devices or protective cushions that you can put around the side of the seatbelt, but I don't have one now. So here are some points to note when using the seatbelt during pregnancy. Keep the driver's seat as far back from the steering wheel as you can while still maintaining easy access to important stuff like the brake, gear, shift and headlights. Position the lap portion of the belt as far under your belly as possible, not straight across. Consider adjusting the angle of the steering wheel upward so the bottom edge of the wheel isn't directly parallel with your stomach. Yes, so I think everything is well understood. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I'll be very glad to answer you. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll be looking at whether or not it is safe for a pregnant woman to even drive in the first place. And if a pregnant woman has to drive, some of the precautions a person has to take into consideration and when not to drive when pregnant. Please don't forget to check on my playlist of driving related videos in my description box. I have actually put the link of the playlist in my description box for those who haven't subscribed but who want to have a look at my other videos. Bye for now.